Hello everybody, Daytime here, and today I'm going to be playing on the lbsg server. I tried to get on Broken Lens, but it didn't work too beautifully well. What the freak is that sound? No idea. Well, it's been a while oh my god, what the freak? Well, when I first got on this, I was sitting there looking at chat and it came up with this new server. I've actually never seen it. It must have got on just recently or something. But what is that? I'm seriously questioning this, but I don't know whether to play this or just capture the flag. I think I'll try that later, but for now we're just gonna play some capture the flag. Good old capture the flag. So I'll meet you guys when I get there. Okay guys, just got on a map, just waiting for the game to start. Just waiting very patiently. Is that recording? Okay, sometimes it doesn't like to record. Okay, we're in. God, this is how long I have been on this. I haven't been on this for so stinking long. I don't know where anything is. Is that goes up there. Just gotta figure everything out first. Where's that go? Or is that I think that's the map. Maybe this is where the supplies is. It is, isn't it? Yep. Okay. Simple. Just simple stuff. Simple. Oh, I already have an iron helmet. Where'd I get that? Okay, let's go. Let's just go, my dudes. Let's do this. Never mind. Let's not do this. I need to grab blocks first. Stupid. Jeez. There we go. Oh, I'm taking that sword. That's not. That's stone, isn't it? It looked diamond to me. Jeez. Okay. Do this. Yeah, still does that stupid glitch. There we go. Loads of blocks. That's not what I pushed. Okay, let's just go. Let's just do this. Haven't been on this for so long. Let's just do this now. Yeah. Is it even worth getting that iron? Last time I tried to do that, it didn't work. So where's our flag? Our flags. Is this? God, I wish they just used the old stuff. How this used to be. This is so I'm just gonna pretend like nothing even happened. That was weird. Let's go. Just a little bit faster, Daytime. So is this our flag? This is our flag, isn't it? This is it right here. Now where's the opening? Oh, it just keeps going back. Jeez. I'm so confused. Only I glitched again. Let's just go. We're just going straight. Okay. This seems to be a bit of a just run and jump. Just run and jump. You died. Respawn. Okay. Beautiful. Just a beautiful landing, couldn't you tell? Beautiful landing. Grab some more of this, and we'll be on to our next death. Thing is, this round's probably gonna go forever. Good now. Good. Grab the wood. Just go. Let's just go. Yes. Oh, I can't damage you. What about that? Okay, here's where we can go across, right here. Holy moly. Okay, I don't have my sword out. Why don't I have my sword? And I fell. I think I'm just gonna play defense. Let's go after I flip out of it. I did it again. I did it again, people. Just play defense mode and full on rush them. I used to be so good at this game that I could just run over, maul everybody with a stone sword, grab a flag, and just come back, but it won't happen anymore. I'm just gonna hit you off. How you doing? Ah, I get him. I got her, but not the other guy. Okay. It's going the wrong way. Do this. Is that a red dude? Is that a red dude? I'm blue, ain't I? I think he's red. Looks red to me. Yeah, he's red. Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me. You did it again! Okay, where'd he go? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. This is pissing me off. Oh, good luck getting onto the bridge. It glitched. Hit him! The glitch is real. I don't care. Don't worry about him. Worry about this dude. God, he's going for full on, isn't he? Isn't he? Come on. Come on. A bit faster. No! Ah! Is he still going? Ah, dang it. Hey, I think we got the orange. I don't know if she made it or not. No, she didn't. Jeez, that was stupid. Just that guy runs through them. They don't even notice. Hi, how you doing? That's nice. Da 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 da. Nope. And then it ends here. Okay. Let's go to here. Make loads of this. Let's grab this. Let's head across. Yeah. Why do I keep saying yeah? Just kinda. Hopefully I'm sneaky. Hopefully they don't get to catch me. What I want to do is I just want to kind of crouch all the way there until I get to a certain point and then just rush in. Yeah, close. I'm close. I just went. Somebody? Oh, hey. How you doing? Didn't even notice her. That's sad. Okay. Nope. She goes and then I'll go. Oh, they got it. They got it. Go. Go. Go to the side. Going clear over this way now. Let's go. Yes. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Psych. Great. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 No! Oh my gosh! Yeah. Okay, we got orange. Blacks. Oh, we got black. Wait, we won? Hey, we won! Is my chat off? My chat's off, isn't it? My chat is legitimately off. I'm gonna unhide that. Well, that'll be for today, guys. Horrible game. I did nothing. That's why I wanted to get in the broken list, because it's actually a lot more fun. But for today, that'll be it, and I will check out this new server wherever it went. The zombie thing. This one. And I will look at it and see how it is. But for now, I'm going to leave that with you guys. Leave a like if you really enjoyed. If you absolutely enjoyed, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next English. And I will see you guys in the next episode. See ya!